Every time I have a client who's found not guilty is, like a game-winning shot, last-second touchdown. I don't know how to explain it better than that. I mean, it's just like, yes, this is why I do this.
After crying for about an hour, realizing that my life is over, I could see the confidence in him saying, he was going to take care of me. And I just knew right off the bat that this is the person that I needed to hire.
We heard later, within a timely fashion, that he had gone down to the station and had indicated to the sergeant that I was not the person that was behind the wheel for this ticket. And he asked the sergeant to open up the full picture, and the sergeant could see that, in fact, I was not the driver at the wheel, and dismissed the ticket.
I'm charged with aggravated assault, actually 6 separate counts of aggravated assault. Possession of a firearm within city limits, threatening, intimidating, you name it, the state charging me with it. There's just so many things I could speak about in terms of Todd, and it's literally, I owe him my life.
So one thing that I've learned as a civil lawyer is you never get a second chance to make a good first impression in front of a judge. That is an intangible characteristic of a good lawyer that you don't learn by looking at their bio on a website. And what's good about Todd is he not only presents well in a courtroom, but he has been in courtrooms enough that he maintains the bearing and the dignity and the demeanor of an outstanding trial lawyer that immediately commands the respect of the judge's staff, and the prosecutors and other people that he's around.
Whoever I'm referring to him, whatever they're in, whatever situation it is, he's seen it before. A lot of times it's maybe their first time in the system, if you will. And so there's a lot of fear, a lot of unknown there. And so you want somebody who's a real human being to walk you through it.
There's lots of people who practice in certain areas of the law, family law, criminal law. There's a lot of attorneys. There's only some attorneys who really know what they're doing and really have good experience. And those are the ones you want to get.
I do it because I truly do believe that I'm helping people. I'm helping them in a time of need, confusion, fear. They have the weight of the government coming after them and pressing on them.
I should be in prison right now. Rather than that, I've got a good career. I'm getting married and have a couple kids. So yeah, it was absolutely a life changer.
I really appreciated all that Todd Coolidge did for us.
Over the years, whenever anyone's asked me, can you recommend someone who's experienced and who knows criminal law, I will always give them Todd's information and ask them to call him.
And I've never in over 20 years had anybody call back except to say that they thanked me for the referral to Todd.
He was there for me, there for my family, in court just about every other month for about 2 years. He was a private investigator. He was my best friend. He was a counselor. He was all those things. Todd is a friend of mine, and that's the best way I can sum it up. Yes, he's an excellent attorney. I would recommend him and refer him to anyone I know, but above and beyond all of that, he is a friend of mine.